my beautifuls, it's me Alyssa. Welcome back to my channel. Today I have my BOXYCHARM for September 2019. This month's box, the September box that I got, was a bit of a dud, and it's also a bit late. But it wasn't my favorite box, and I'm gonna be quite honest, because the only thing I liked in here was one thing. And yeah. But I can assure you that the next month BOXYCHARM is really good. So I am excited about that. But this was not my favorite. So I'm probably not going to be very enthusiastic or excited for this box. But the box theme was BOXYCHARM All Access. The products are all on the back, so I will read off them. So the first one is the thing I like the most. It was a Violet Voss palette, and I don't own anything from Violet Voss. And it's a very well-known palette company, and you know, this is called their Essentials Pro Series eyeshadow palette. Somehow when my Ipsy box was packed, they didn't even pack this in the bubble wrap, and so one of the eyeshadows is a little bit cracked and crumbled in here, and I will show you guys that, but either that or it was like this box was tossing around who knows what in there when it was being mailed. But this is the only thing I found quite interesting from this box, and it is the first product that I'm sharing with you guys, and it is $29 from Violet Voss. I don't own anything, and I always want to try something from them. And so here it is. There's a little paper right here. You can see which one cracked because that's the only one showing up. There is a mirror, and it does say Violet Voss. But these are the shades that are in there. I think they're pretty. I like the pinks for the most part. I like the pink colors and the little sand color and the cream. And I also think the other colors are also really pretty. Emerald shattered on me when I opened the box. But these look all nice. I will have an overlay of swatches and stuff. They all look so pretty, and I always hear such good things about Violet Voss, and I'm so excited to actually try. The pink and dusty rose color in this look the best to me, but also cream and sand look also very exciting to try. I'm so excited about this palette, and I finally get to try something from Violet Voss, and I think it's really pretty. It's a really nice palette. It was the only thing I was really interested in this whole entire box, which is kind of a shame. There's also one other thing that I'm excited about as well. It's to go with the palette. But I'm not sharing with you guys that yet. I don't know what was wrong with this. This box was just a little bit of a dud for me, so I'm not super excited about it. The next product was from Dr. Brandt. Dr. Brandt isn't cruelty free. Now, here's the thing, guys. I'm trying my very best to be cruelty free when it comes to makeup. Some things slip by me, because I need to have a list in front of me and keep checking back and forth. Plus, some sites are not even super transparent if they are cruelty free or not, so it's really hard to figure that out as well. So Dr. Brandt isn't a cruelty-free brand, and this was their Hydro Biotic Recovery Sleeping Mask, and it's $52. This is $52 for this little guy. Let me read off the card what it says. It's a hydrating recovery sleeping mask that balances skin's naturally occurring floral and locks in moisture overnight to reduce redness and soothe the signs of irritation. For this being $52, this bottle is very small. It's a nice packaging. I like the green, the mint green and white. But unfortunately I can't use it. This is a very kind of like small bottle. You get 1.7 ounces. It's 50 grams for $52. It's a little bit of a stretch right there. So that's what it looks like. I might send this to my Auntie Niel or something like that. I felt like sending her a couple of these things because I don't really use these products, and I know she likes makeup and stuff, so we got that. The next thing is something excited that I can use, and it will go with the palette. These are brushes from Moda. These are the Moda 5-piece brush kit, and they are cruelty-free. So, these are the little brushes. I should have opened these. Why didn't I open these? But I like these because these were like a matte black. I don't even know if it has names on these. Does it have names of what these brushes are? Oh, there are on the back. Alright, I got them open. Here's what they look like. They're all like this black, kind of grippy looking. And then they have the little Moda logo on these. And they all feel very nice and soft. So they have like this gradient effect. So the first one, there's a shade brush. This is the shade brush, which is the BMX 466. Oh, so they do have the names on here. Okay. The camera will not pick up the name, but they are written on here. So there's that one. There is the crease one. This is the BMX 430 crease. Super nice and fluffy. And then there's the detail brush right here. Kind of something more for like defining and getting really in there in the crease area. And then that was the detail brush, was the BMX 420. And then we have the smudge brush, which is the BMX 402. Oh, that's so cute, the little smudge brush. And then we have the BMX 498. It's a liner brush. So super nice. These are Moda brushes seem to be really nice quality. These seem really nice. I like them. And I like that it's a whole kit. So it's a whole eye kit of brushes you would need to create an eye look. Which I think is really, really cool. So I'm really excited about all of these. So I can't wait to have some fun. And plus they'll be really great to go with the palette. So definitely have a pairing right there. And those Moda brushes are $27.95. So there's that. The next thing right here is from Hank and Henry. This is their Blickity black eyeliner. I don't wear eyeliner, guys. I always talk about this in videos. I don't wear eyeliner. Oh, and it has a little ball in here when you shake it up. I think, and Hank and Harry is cruelty free, as far as I know. This is $20. I'm not gonna open it because I'm very much sure I'm not gonna use eyeliner. I don't wear any eyeliner, and if I wanted to wear eyeliner, I don't want to have an expensive one either. So, while this looks really nice. I like that their logo is an owl. It says it's supposed to be a long wear eyeliner as well. It looks pretty cool though. I wish I was someone that wore eyeliner and, you know, could do it, but it's too much for me. I keep, every time I try to do it, if I want to, it doesn't look, I get too anxious, and I'm like, oh my gosh, the line's gonna become too thick. I need to be really steady when I do that, but it just doesn't work out. So, not the greatest for me. And the last thing that I did get from this box was the Billion Dollar Brows, the Microblade Effect Brow Pen in the shade Dark. Guys, I don't do my eyebrows, so I don't know why I always seem to get eyebrow products when I know I do not do my eyebrows. So, I will not be doing this, because I think I have pretty great eyebrows for the most part. I never fill them in. I hardly have to pluck them, because I only get a few maybe strays here and there, but for the most part, I got some pretty good eyebrows. I would never worry about filling them in, because it's not something I really want to do. It's not really something that's part of me, that I want to have super thick or bushy looking eyebrows. I kind of like the eyebrows I was given, so I kind of just leave them alone. Yeah. Got a little brow pencil from them. But that's everything. And that was $18, that little brow pencil. So yeah, that's everything that I got in this September BoxyCharm. Not really exciting. You know, it is what it is, as Jam Beauty 89 would say, you know. But I'm excited for the palette and the brushes. That's the only two things I'll be keeping. Everything else I will probably send maybe to my Auntie Neil, because I know she wears eyeliner. Maybe she needs a little brow help. I'm pretty sure she could use a sleeping mask. She has children, so pretty sure she could use a little boost. So that's everything. I will say October box for BoxyCharm, because I already have filmed it. I don't film my videos in order, because I've been doing a lot of pre-filming. But that box is amazing, and I'm super happy and super excited to share with you guys that one, so stay tuned. If you want to see the total of this September BoxyCharm, I will have it on the screen right now. And there it is. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a big thumbs up. It's greatly appreciated and helps me out a lot. And until next time, have a beautiful and magical day, and I will see you all in my next video. I love you guys. Bye!